Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be changing the valve cover, the rocker cover gasket on this RAV4. I just noticed it's starting to pull up here. I'm getting oil leak right around here and it's leaking all the way around. So first thing I'm going to do is take this valve cover off. It's 10mm nuts. Just remove the nuts. I'm going to put everything up here, and then this I'll probably throw on the ground. So the next is I'm going to take all these coil pack wires off, push down, and then pull up, push down and then pull up. There we go. Get that out of the way. Then I'm going to take the coil packs out. And this would be a good time, if you're going to change your spark plugs, this would be a good time to change your spark plugs too, because you've got this area open. But we've done our spark plugs just a little while ago, so oh look, there's oil. So that's proof that the oil is leaking around these, and it's leaking down. So I don't know whether it's like that on every one.
Where'd you get it from?
Yep, that one's on the same too. And that one's the same too. So it's oil leaking everywhere.
Isn't that cancerous to touch?
I wonder whether that's valve cover then.
What's a valve
Okay,
cover?
I don't know.
Oh, it's freezing!
I'm going to loosen these up. They're pretty loose already. There's 10 bolts and 10 nuts. I'm going to take this bracket off. And then when I take this bracket off, I'm going to put the bolt back in so I remember which bolt went where. Same with this bracket. Take that off too. Ooh. Let's see where it went.
What is that?
That was that bracket I just took off. Those are your wires for your alternator.
How do you know this won't slam on us?
How do I know what?
This won't slam on us.
Because that's the rod's strong enough.
For the whole thing.
Yep.
I can't see you.
Can I get to that one?
Switch.
Alright, now that I got them all loose, I'm going to get, is that one loose? Yep. I'm going to get a 10mm T-handle.
Wish you were right here.
Okay, once you get all the nuts and bolts off, I'm going to take the hoses off. I'll try and take the hoses off. This is the positive ventilation crank on the crankcase.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pain in the ass. There we go. Slide off. There we go. And then this side I need to get over here. There we go.
I can't see. Hey.
Oh, look, it's split.
What?
That hose is split. It's gone all hard and split.
Oh. Okay.
So we'll probably have to replace that hose.
Is that where the oil's coming from?
No, the oil's definitely coming from in here, this area. Alright, so have I got all the bolts out?
Let's see. Pushy. Refrain.
So all the bolts are out. I just need to pry this out. And usually I'd hit it with like a rubber mallet. I just need
Who's that?
a bit of a pry bar. So once you get it broken loose, you just drag it up.
Oh.
And then take it off.
Oh.
You're going to take your old gasket out
Oh shit.
and
Bro.
see where it's split.
Ew. What is that?
Like it's split right here, look.
Oh, that's disgusting, bro. Why is it gold?
And then it's
Is that real gold?
it's just coming to bits because it's like gone all brittle. Go slow. You don't want bits of this going down.
Pain. What the frick? Hey, boy.
There you go. Check your cam chain, which feels pretty loose to me. Wipe off the gasket surface area. Get rid of any bits of plastic.
How do I take this off?
So once you get your surface area nice and clean, you're going to put your gasket back into this. Gasket's going to go into here. And you got to make sure this is nice and clean too, because otherwise your gasket won't stick in there and it'll leak some more. When I do videos good like this, now I'm doing something wrong. Like I feel like I'm doing something wrong the whole time.
Hi guys, doing an unboxing video with me, yeah? So, what is this?
That is the rocket cover gasket.
Why do you look like that? You look like you know that vampire in that like Disney show?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
You'll see. I'll put it in while I'm editing your stupid shit, yeah? Wait, hold on. Okay. That's satisfying.
Okay. Let me rip it out. Don't get my face in it.
That looks good. It's nice and soft. Okay, so now this is going to go away. So this will go on this side. I'd like to put the spark plug rings in first.
You just ate my ass. You want to switch? What is this?
That's just a bumper that holds the hood from smashing into the metal.
Why is it?
All right, so work its way in here.
Oh shit. Okay, so you gotta put that like that, and then you have to do work its way, whatever.
Yeah, you got to work your way around the whole valve cover. And you got to make sure that it sticks in, because if you turn it upside down and it comes out and then you pinch, then you got to start all over again.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do this. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's my bonding seal. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Right? Tip it upside down.
Tip it upside down.
Shake it. Make sure
Shake it, wake it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Guys, remember the wiggles?
And then now, remember the spark plug holes had all that oil in there?
It looks like those pirate ship things. You know those things? And they had the little clockwork shit
Yeah.
in the pirate ship. And like the the big looking out view. Okay, put it on. Hurry up.
Put it on, hurry up. Is
I
that
want
what you're
food. Yeah. There's a lot
saying?
of
I gotta get
layers
all
in
this
this.
stuff out of the way,
All that stuff out of the way.
and then go over the studs. And then squeeze it. Do that with your hands. Just make sure everything lines up.
Wiggle.
And then look down your spark plug holes and make sure there's no rubber in there as well, because that's where you're
Look
gonna
down
have
the
it.
holes, guys. Oh, shit.
All right. So I'll start putting hoses back on.
Like,
I know
how
that
you
one's split.
How are you so sure this is gonna hold it?
I'm sure.
The whole thing.
Sure.
How do you get it out?
You have to lift it up to get it out.
So like, oh,
Don't piss me off.
okay then, bro. What is this? What? You're such a mess.
And then put that in there like that. And then this one.
What do you think Mum and Phoebe are doing?
Eating Thai food. Maybe somebody's singing happy birthday to your mom.
Oh.
All right, that's good. And now I'm going to start the reverse. So you put these center bolts in first. Get them started. I'll put this cap back in.
I put the packet on the glass. What glass? Little black dish in the microwave.
And then start
God.
putting
See it? Go to the store. What stove? The daughter microwave. What
all
is
the
wrong
same?
with you? Someone snapped me. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh! Okay, come on. You're such a mess together. You make me lose
some of them are
my
longer than
temper.
others. I don't like that.
Wiggle.
Let me get on this side.
I'm going.
Nuts.
Pow.
Those are all for the.
Hey. Look at them booty cheeks. God, I say, little booties matter. I don't need a BBL.
Okay. So make sure that when you're putting these bolts back in here, that you're not using the bolts of the coil packs. The bolts of the coil packs are shorter and they're
Okay.
that length. All right.
What's I gotta say?
And when you torque these down, they should be about 6 to 8 foot-pounds. You're going to make sure that you torque center,
Work.
outside, so a star pattern all the way out to the outer edges. I'm just doing it hand tight right now.
Oh. So you want to go?
I've got all the valve cover bolts torqued down. The valve cover is tight. I've got the 2 hoses back connected. I've got the little bracket here connected. I've got also this bracket here for the alternator hoses connected. I'm going to take my spark plug coil packs and wipe them down. Remember, we saw a bunch of oil on them when we pulled them out. And I'm going to put them in the same way I took them out. So number 4 first.
Satisfying. Wait, can I
Number
do that?
3.
I'm gonna do that.
Is that satisfying, is it?
Look at that, guys. Oh, right. What
Number-
the fuck?
Number 3 second. Right. Number 2 had a fair bit of oil on it.
Make sure you wipe it off before putting it in, guys.
Number 2 had a fair bit of oil on it. Put that one back in. Number 1 had the most oil on it. It still got the most oil on it. You find that funny, do you? If these things get too much oil on them, they will short out eventually, and then you'll have a running problem. It'll be missing on the cylinder that has the most oil on it. And these things are about anywhere from $80 to about $180, brand new, depending on whether you get.
Why is everything so expensive?
It's just the way it is. All right, so then you take your bolts for there, the 6mm bolts, 10mm head.
What is these?
These are the coil packs. This is what makes the spark happen.
The spark.
The spark. You need the spark plug. These go on top of the spark plugs. And then I'll get these started.
What the hell?
Okay. And then again, these are pretty light torque too. These are like torqued at 6 foot-pounds.
Can I try that?
Sure.
Right, do them one and then I'll do the last one. I'm gonna do that one.
So if that one breaks, we know which one broke.
Oh no. My turn, my turn, my turn. Okay, hold it. Don't put my face in it yet. Wait, how do you do it? Do you turn this way?
The other way.
Other way?
Yeah.
Other way?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to do that? It's not going this way.
Like that.
Why is it so hard?
Because you're holding it with your hands.
Okay, let me try,
It's going to get hard and then... stop.
Okay, I give up.
Okay, here you go. Hold that.
Did I do it? Oh, I'm
Yeah,
so
it's done. All right, so now
It's done.
you take your coil pack wires and you hook them back up again. Just you'll hear it click.
Click. Click. Click.
Okay. Now that side's done. Now the next thing is clean up any residual oil on your manifold like I just had. And now I will take my plastic cover and then that'll go over the top, and it's only held in. It's only held in by these two nuts.
Wow. And you're done!
Yep.
Amazing! Let's do a dramatic background.
Okay. All done. So clean up all your tools, start it up, see where it's going to leak.
There. Guys, I always see those vans pass my house, and I swear I'm gonna get kidnapped one day.
You know what the keys are?
But you said kitties. I was like, what? Keys? I don't know. Probably in the car still.
I've got oil pressure. Usually I'd start to see it leak right there. That's where it was leaking before. But I don't see any leaks there now.
Clock it.
Turn it off. All right.
Hey, you
It's
should
all
do it.
done.
You should do a video of teaching my 13-year-old daughter how to drive.
Yeah, I should, huh?
Yeah, we could do it today.
Remember to like, comment down below.
Okay, bye.
All right, I'm going to change the oil in there.
Okay, turn on.